guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. For this week's Facebook group collab, we are doing the theme of space, and I really enjoyed this stamping plate. I used it already a few times in different manicures, and as you will see, this is a perfect plate for any type of space themed design. I do hope that you will enjoy this video. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here or coming from the other channels, then welcome. I hope that you will like what you see here, and if you do, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave. For my base, I will be using this polish from Collab polish, which was sent to me as PR, but I really love the deep base color in this polish, and I think it will be perfect for today's tutorial. If you do have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. Otherwise, I will link everything for you in the description box, including the video links to the other ladies' videos, and at the end of my video you will also find all the pictures that were created for today's collab. I think I will wrap it up here, so thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.